Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to install any extensions in the Brave browser. If you've tried clicking Add to Brave and nothing happens, or the install just fails, don't worry, I'll walk you through how to solve it step by step. So here's the problem. You go to the Chrome Web Store, click on an extension, hit Add to Brave, and either it doesn't respond or it throws an error. It can be frustrating, especially when you really need a tool. Now I'm going to open the Brave browser. First, let's make sure extensions are actually allowed in your settings. Click on the three lines in the top right corner, go to Settings, then scroll down and click on Extensions. Make sure the toggle that says Allow extensions from Chrome Web Store is turned on. If it's off, Brave will block all extension installs. So go ahead and turn it on. Next, let's clear out any weird cache issues that might be messing with things. I'm going to click on the three lines again, then go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, and click on Clear Browsing Data. Now choose Cached Images and Files, and set the time range to All Time. Then click Clear Data. Once that's done, go ahead and restart the browser. Just close Brave and open it again. Now, let's go back to the Chrome Web Store. I'm typing chrome.google.com/webstore in the address bar. Let's try installing an extension. I'm clicking Add to Brave, and you should see a pop-up asking for confirmation. If it shows up, click Add Extension. If it still doesn't work, there might be a profile or browser glitch. One quick fix is to create a new profile. Just click your profile icon in the top right, then Add Profile. Give it a name, and launch it. Try installing the extension in this fresh profile. It usually solves the issue. As a final step, make sure your Brave browser is up to date. Click the menu, go to About Brave, and it will automatically check for updates. If there's one available, let it install and then restart. And that's it. One of those steps should help you fix the issue and get extensions working again in Brave. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from our channel. And if you have any question or comment, drop in the comments section. I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.